All right, you Militaria fans, we've got a fun one for you today. This is the 1/44th scale Zeke, the Zero-Sen Type 32. It's a Japanese Navy carrier fighter, commonly used in World War II. Not well used from our side of the table. These would have been similar to the types of planes used in Pearl Harbor, so that's unfortunate. But if you want to recreate your battle scenes from that time, show some of the heroism involved, then this is a great piece to do it with. It does come with the box, and I'm going to show you all the way around the box right here, just so you have, you know, a complete look. If you were here with us in the gallery, you'd want to do that. So rather than fly you all the way out here to see, which side did we get already? Now I'm confused. Then I'm going to do this and just show you all the way around, including, I want you to see this. So it has been opened. Now, that means that somebody may have used it, but it also means that I get to take it out and show it to you. So you get to know and verify the contents, which is a positive on that. So let's jump into it here. Again, this is from AHM. Oh, I'm sorry, right up here. AHM. What am I pointing at? This is the other. Doesn't want to come on out there. And it is 1/44th scale. The model number for this is K40979. So look at this. All right. Oh, no. It's very possible somebody removed this, took it out, looked at it all day long, touched it, maybe smelled it, but they never took it apart off the sprues and runner. Oh, maybe they did. Yeah, this came off the sprues and runners, but they never put it together. So hooray for you. You get to be that guy or gal that takes it apart for the first time. You know what? I want this to pop a little bit more, and I want you to be able to see all the sprues and runners underneath. So I'm going to put this underneath it, just so you can see what's going on right here. So you're going to get everything you see right here. You're going to get all of these, which I don't know if this has ever been sealed, but I think someone, because you can see this is off of its sprue and it's on the other side. So I don't think it just came undone in the packaging. I think somebody was like, hey, I'm going to sit and put this together, and then, you know, something good came on TV and they changed their mind, is my guess on this. I don't 100% know for certain, but go with that. And if it turns out it's unused completely, great. If it turns out it was somebody looked at it but didn't glue it together and now that's your opportunity, well, also great. Either way, you're going to get a cool little piece right here. So you get all of that to make this. It is unpainted. It does come with its instructions, which are intact, but they're getting a little bit older, as we all are. They are a little bit thin, so the fact that they've held up at all, and you can see right here, do these require glue? No, these are snap-ons. Oh, that's what that is. That's a stand. So maybe, is it missing stands? Is that? No, no, so it's got the one triangle, right? And then different kinds of stands. So I guess that's what they're trying to show you in there. But all around a very cool piece. So if you like the Militaria, if you like model kits, if you like old World War II history, man, you got a really cool piece right here. If you've already got a 1/44th setup, then you're going to really dig deep and dive into this one right here. I hope somebody out there is going to enjoy it. You can leave your pre-bids right now on this particular piece. Did I show you the dimensions? I believe I did. You can leave your bids right now, or you can join us live on auction day. Whichever way you choose to do it, we'll see you at the auction.